Today, you will learn how to import a Word document into Google Docs and start editing it online without installing anything. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you are logged in with your Google account. Google Drive is the place where you upload your files so you can open them in Google Docs. Once Google Drive is open, look at the top left corner and click on the New button. A menu will appear. From this menu, click on File Upload. Now a window will open where you can browse your computer. Go to the folder where your Microsoft Word file is saved, select the file, and click on Open. Your file will start uploading to Google Drive. Wait a few seconds until the upload is complete. After the file is uploaded, you will see it in your Google Drive with a blue Word icon. Now right-click on that file. A menu will appear. Move your mouse to Open With, and then click on Google Docs. As soon as you click, Google will automatically convert your Microsoft Word document into a Google Docs file. This process takes only a few seconds. Now your document will open in Google Docs and you can edit it just like a normal document. You can type, delete text, change formatting, add images, and do everything online. After you finish editing your document in Google Docs, you may want to download it again as a Microsoft Word document. To do this, go to the File menu at the top, click on Download, and then choose Microsoft Word.docx. Your edited file will now download to your computer in Word format. If you want, you can also download the same file as a PDF, a text file, an ODT file, and many other formats. Google Docs gives you many options for exporting your document. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.